Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we go write the alphabet. Yay!
Yay! We're gonna write the alphabet today. So Amari, let's get straight into it, shall we? So, can you write me an A, please?
Aqua.
Fantastic. Can everybody see that?
Yeah.
Now, can you do a B for me, please?
Around the middle, around the right.
Good. Can everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Now, can you do a C for me, please?
Around the middle.
Good boy. Fantastic. Everybody see that?
Yes.
Now, can you do a D for me, please? Down. Start at the top, around to the line. Good boy. Everybody see that? Now, can you do an E for me, please? Down, tick at the top. From here, baby, tick in the middle, tick at the bottom. Good boy. Can everybody see that?
Yes.
Fantastic. Now, can you do an F, please? Down, big tick, little tick. Good boy. Everybody see? Now can you do a G for me, please? G. Around to the middle. Little up, little across. Good boy. Can you do the G one more time so everybody can see, please? Start in the middle, around to the middle, little up, little across. Fantastic. Okay, now can you do a H for me, please? Down, down, across. Well done. Fantastic. Now can you do an I for me, please? Down, tick at the top, tick at the bottom. Well done. Can everybody see that? Now can you do a J for me, please? Down, little bend. Wrong way, baby.
Okay.
Wrong way, baby. Little bend this way. Remember? Can you do a J for me, please? Down, little bend. That's it. Across. Fantastic. Can everybody see that?
Yes.
Can you do that one more time for everybody, please? J, down, little bend. Good. Across. Fantastic. Now, can you do a K for me, please? Down, across, across. Fantastic. Everybody see?
Yes.
Can you do that one more time, please? K. Down, across, across. Fantastic. Okay. Now, can you do an L for me? Big down, little across.
Aqua.
Yes, baby. Okay, can you do an L for me one more time, please? Big down, little across. Fantastic. So, can you do an L for me, please, Amari? Big down, little across. Well done. Fantastic. Everybody see that?
Yes.
Now, can you do an M for me, please, Amari? Big up, little down, little up, big down. Well done. Can everybody see that? Let's do that one more time for everybody. One more time, an M, please. Big up, little down, little up, big down. Fantastic. Everybody see? Now, can you do an N? N for me, please. Big up, big down, big up. Can you do an N for me, please? Big up, big down, big up. Good boy. Well done.
Big up, Daddy.
Yeah. Can you do that one more time for me, please? N, big up. Why did you do that, baby? Straight up, big down, big up. Not this. Big up, big down, big up.
Okay.
All right? So, Amari, can you do an N for me, please? Big up, big down, big up. Fantastic. So, Amari, can you do an N for me, please? Big up, big down, big up. Fantastic. Can everybody see that?
Bigger, Daddy.
Yeah, can you do that again? Can you do it a little bit bigger for everyone to see? Big up, big down, big up. Good boy, well done. So, after N, can you do an O for me, please? In the middle, O. Good boy. Can everybody see that? Can we do that one more time for everybody, Ma?
Daddy. Oh.
Good boy, good O. And after O comes P. Can you do a P for me, please? Down, start at the top, around to the middle. Good boy. Can we do that one more time for everybody, please? P, down.
Yes.
A P, baby. Can you do a P for everybody again, please? Down, start at the top, around to the middle. Good boy. Now can you do a Q for me, please? O, across. Good boy. Do that one more time for everybody to see, please.
Across.
Good boy. Fantastic.
Bigger, Daddy.
Yeah. Now can you do a R? Around to the middle, across. Good boy. Fantastic. Can you do that one more time for everybody, please, Ma? R, down, around to the middle, across. Fantastic. Everybody see that? Now can you do an S for me, please? Whee! Good boy. Good S. Can you do that one more time for everybody to see? Whee! Good boy. Fantastic. Everybody see? Now, can you do a T for me, please? Down, across. Fantastic. Everybody see that? One more time, please, Amari. T, down, across. Fantastic. Everybody see? Now, can you do a U, please, Amari? Down, little bend, and up. Good boy. Fantastic. Can you do that one more time for everybody to see? Down, little bend, and up. Fantastic. Now, can you do a V? Remember? Big down, big up.
Bigger, bigger.
Good boy. That's a good V. Can you do that one more time for everybody? Big down, big up. Good boy. Can everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay, now comes W, which is what? Big down, little up, little down, big up. Good boy. Can everybody see? Can you do that one more time for everybody, please, Amari? Big down, big up. That's my fault. Can you do that one more time for everybody, please? W, big down, little up, little down, big up. Good boy. Okay, after W comes X. How do we do X? Across, across. Good boy. Fantastic. Well done. Can you do that one more time?
Across, across.
Fantastic. Well done. Now comes Y. Can you do a Y? Meet in the middle, meet in the middle, and straight down.
Straight down.
Good boy. Can you do that one more time for everybody, please? Meet in the middle, meet in the middle, and from here, straight down. Fantastic. Now, after Y comes Z. How do we do a Z? Zigzag, zig. Good boy. Fantastic. Can you do that one more time for everybody?
Yes, that's it.
Zigzag, zig. And that is how you do the alphabet. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.